In today's video, I'm going to teach you to crop video in CapCut and remove black bars. If you've ever brought a clip into your project and noticed thick edges at the top and bottom or along the sides, those are letterboxing or pillar boxing. They show up when the shape of your video doesn't match the shape of your project. Cropping is a quick, reliable way to get rid of those bars and keep your frame looking clean and polished. Start by opening CapCut and importing your video. Bring the clip into your project so you can see it on the timeline and in the preview area. If you're working with high-resolution footage, don't worry, CapCut handles this well, and cropping won't change the original file. You're only adjusting how it appears in your project. Take a second to confirm that the clip is selected so the editing options appear. Next, click on your video to highlight it, then look for the crop option and select it. This is different from the canvas or format settings. Canvas changes the project's overall shape, while crop changes what portion of your clip is visible inside that shape. Using the crop tool is the best way to remove black bars without stretching the image or distorting your subject. Now adjust the cropping area to remove the black bars. You'll see a frame or handles around your video. Drag the corners or edges inward until the bars disappear. As you do this, keep an eye on your subject. Make sure important details aren't getting cut off. If your video has movement, you can slide the cropping box to keep your subject centered while still hiding the bars. Watch the preview as you go. It updates in real time so you can fine-tune the crop until it looks balanced. A few quick tips as you adjust. Aim to match the crop to your project's orientation, whether it's vertical, square, or widescreen. Avoid overcropping. You want to remove the bars without losing essential content near the edges. If the clip was filmed very wide, a little zoom from cropping is normal. It's better to crop slightly and maintain a natural look than to push the crop too far. Also, keep your horizon level and be mindful of headroom so the composition remains comfortable and professional. That's all you need to do. Open CapCut and import your video, select the clip and choose crop, then adjust the cropping area until the black bars are gone. With these simple adjustments, your video fills the frame cleanly and looks ready to share.